There is a type of person you should never help. Listen to this story, and you'll understand exactly who that is. Once a scorpion wanted to cross a river. It approached a kind frog and asked for help. The frog hesitated and said, "Your tail has venom. What if you sting me? What will I do then?" The scorpion replied, "Don't worry. If I harm you, I'll sink to the bottom of the river too. I wouldn't want that." The frog thought this made sense, so it agreed to carry the scorpion on its back and began swimming across the river. But as they reached the middle of the river, the frog suddenly felt a sharp pain in its back. Turning around, it saw that the scorpion had stung it. As both began to sink, the frog asked, "You knew this would lead to both of us dying. Why did you still sting me?" The scorpion responded, "I didn't want to, but I couldn't control myself. It's just in my nature." And in the end, they both drowned. This story teaches us a powerful truth. Some people, like the scorpion, cannot change their harmful nature, no matter what they promise. If you ignore their habits and trust them blindly, your kindness won't just bring their downfall, it might bring yours too. So, the lesson is simple. Be kind, but be wise. Not everyone deserves your help, especially if their nature might harm you in the process. Protect your energy and focus on helping those who genuinely want to improve themselves. If you found this story insightful and want to explore more life-changing lessons, subscribe to Eternox. We're here to inspire, motivate, and help you grow.